Kansas. That is a big crocodile. Holy Toledo. Oh my lord. Okay, don't stall.
Alright. So the famous or infamous Proserpine River. Just been a good dump of rain, so there's quite a lot of fresh pouring out of the river. It's very windy. We were going to go across and fish Repulse Creek in the inlet, but way too rough out the front. So the weekend's turned into a crabbing and hopefully a barra fishing weekend. Perfect for barra, this bit of rain. And the crabs they're running really hard, really big tide today, and they should be down towards the mouth of the river. Everything's been washed down. So talking to a couple of guys at the ramp, getting heaps of crabs this morning. We just put some pots in, we'll let them soak overnight and get them tomorrow. Should get a good feed of crabs. And I'm going to go for up the river now and have a little look around. I haven't been on the Prossie River for 3 years. I used to be a fishing guide on the Prossie River, so I knew it pretty well back in the day. You can probably see in the background here how hard the current is running. You've got a massive amount of water going up the creek and a massive amount coming out of the creek. And so the current's too much for the pots and the crabs. And likewise, when it opens out, the current slows down. That's where the crabs are likely to be. A lot of fresh coming in here already. It's a little back channel around behind Flying Fox Island. And the current here is probably running, or the flood is probably running at 5 or 6 knots. Just way too fast for crabbing.
Jenny again, does it? Just one. Oh, there's two, there's three. There's three I can see. There we go. A lot of gunk in there. It's a nice size.
I think it'll go full, but
It's a crab.
easily. Why not? One window.
That's something worth measuring. Show me that one. How's he coming up? Yeah. But it is pretty. Nice.
Relative to the shore as well.
We're getting close actually.
Three, pick it up and be gone. is the challenge up in here. The tide's all the debris washing down the river. You do lose pods. It's just okay.
Good few more. More jennies again. There you go, there's a lot coming around today.
Nice full little crab.
Okay, this is why we don't go swimming. That's a big piece.
That's a flat dog and a half.
Yes, that was a big one.
16 nice crabs. That's fantastic.
Now, Kev, what are we going to do with them?
Chili crab, Kevs chili crab. Made the chili crab sauce already. And we're going to be gluttons this afternoon. We're eating this in the restaurant. It's $1,600 worth of crabs.
What have you cooked for us, Kev?
Bit of shitty old crab.
You need a smack. Who wants a smack? Kevin does.
Wow.
What do you Instagram links first, eh?